Good morning, Wairarapa local news for Wednesday the 5th of April. Wairarapa Hospital is holding a crutches amnesty in the hope of tracking down any crutches that people may have finished with but not returned. Associate Charge Nurse Manager Catherine Wadsworth says stocks are very low. She says we're down to our very last few pairs of crutches and are continually having to order more, when we know there must be dozens of pairs no longer needed out there in the community. The DHB is asking for people to look at home for their crutches and that they may have forgotten about. These can be returned, no questions asked, to the hospital's main reception. South Wairarapa residents can drop crutches off at their local medical centres. Wairarapa locals are being urged to be winter ready, and that's the message from Compass Health. Having the flu shot is one of the best ways to stay well during winter. Flu vaccinations are free for those aged over 65, pregnant women and people with certain medical conditions. And in sport, the results are in from the 33rd New Zealand Shearing Championships in Tikawiti. In the Championship Open Final, David Buer picked up second place ahead of Dion King, and those places were reversed in the North Island Shearer of the Year final, with Parada Abraham from Masterton also coming in fifth. For Wairarapa TV Local News, I'm Brent Gare.